Ooh, it's 6 a.m. and it's a new adventure. I'm gonna go for a reef cleanup today. Super exciting. New group of people I've just met yesterday doing yoga, and it's gonna be a trip to Sanur, and then we're gonna go to Coral Plantation and do some cleanup from plastic and species counting. Woohoo! Excited! Let's go! Whew. Okay, drove through a shortcut, survived, yeah! And I met with Ben. Hello.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We are going to Sanur.
Sanur. Why? What the hell is there?
We are going to clean the beach.
Yes. Let's do that. Gotta get some gas.
All come back in our next life in a coral orgy in September on a full moon.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, that's gonna be
Coral
amazing.
orgies. Say hi to Vincent.
Hi guys.
And yeah, today we're gonna learn about reefs and
We're
corals.
gonna learn a little bit about corals, about seagrass, about mangroves. So we're gonna go and plant a little bit of corals, see the difference between hard and soft corals, different technique to plant them. And then after we'll come to the mangroves, where we're gonna see the different ecology of the mangroves and help with a little bit of cleanup.
All right.
And then we will finish with seagrass, to see, that it looks like it's just grass, but it's actually an important ecosystem, full
Actual
of life.
forest under the water.
Full of life and recycle carbon and produce a lot of oxygen, and it's a very important component of the marine ecosystem, So that's what I like about this program is you see corals, you see seagrass, you see mangrove, you see the whole thing,
All the bits
just
that
one
make
thing,
up
we need
the...
to go out there and see the pelagic thing,
Yep.
and then that would be complete.
Sounds super exciting.
Yes. All
Alrighty.
right.
Yeah. Let's do it. What are those?
These are
Booties.
the booties.
Alright, we're gonna stand and paddle into the ocean. Okay. Excited?
Yes, here we go.
We're gonna go to see Mangrove there, and then plant some corals over there, or over there. And yeah.
Stretches a good 20k around into Tanjung Benoa, and it's pretty much probably about in the last 30 years about 10-15% reduction, and like I was mentioning, mainly for hotels. But now the government brought in a project that started last year. They're going to replant all the original mangroves.
Wow.
So if you're passing over the bypasses as part of the G20, they're doing a huge mangrove planting. So last year, President Jokowi got into the mud and started planting mangroves. So we're stoked that mangroves has taken the forefront. And like I was also mentioning on that, the things I've learned a lot about mangroves is like, it's way more productive in terms of carbon conversion. So I think it's about 30% if I'm not wrong. It's better than the average forest because of the amount of photosynthesis that happens because they're in more water.
what we collected so far in about 15 minutes. There's a whole bunch left. We'll probably need to get back here soon to clean it up properly. But the idea is to get people involved and expose and spread the word. There's a lot of plastic to clean. Let's do it, people.
Upside down, and the paddle blade should just be above your head. If it's too short, it's okay, but not underneath your head. The worst is too long, it's bad for your shoulders.
And we are going. This is the rubbish bin. Gonna collect some plastic. So we've cleaned up some of this mangrove forest. There's loads more work. It needs hours and hours. But as I said, with the plastic cleanup, it's about exposure today and showing people the opportunities that are here. Did some cleaning, it's a little bit better, but yeah, loads and loads more work to do. Oh, it's gonna overflow. Yeah. That's how much we've collected. God damn.
It is a lot.
Maybe the other boat?
I think I will just keep it like this.
Wow, that's a lot of rubbish. Okay, all done.
There we go, thank you.
The board's back in. And we're gonna go to Coral Nursery next. Yeah, alright. Whoop! Yay, Dingo, you made it!
Dingo made it!
Good dog! We are back with all the trash. Gonna dump it down and go see the Coral Nursery.
Very interesting, you know. That's a hololith. That's what it's called, you know. That's a coral going on a small piece of rubber and going in 3 dimensions. You know, you can see it's going from all the different sides. It's actually a ball. So what happens is you have a coral larvae that settle on a small piece of rubber, and it starts to grow on this rubber. It starts to encrust that rubber, and with the action of waves, it's going back and forward like this. So it just grows in 3 dimensions. You get heavier and heavier and heavier until it's heavy enough and just boom, settle in one place. And the big bommies that you know from varieties, they start as a hololith. Find a way.
Oh my god, it's so cute! It's like a little
baby!
It's like a little baby.
Yay!
Go start a family. Circle of life.
Oh, so cute!
That's how soft corals are planted. closing words. How was it?
It was nice. Such a nice day. Really satisfying.
Yep. Lots of memories. We planted some corals, cleaned up mangroves. We're in a boat. Yay! Awesome. Alright guys, we've done it! Eco Karma! Woo! Yay!
We need Johnny. One more time.
Johnny!
Come on, Johnny.
Yeah, shout Eco Karma! Yay!
Carmen, thank you so much.
The end. Woo!